It's February and summer's almost finished, but there's still plenty to do in the garden in Victoria this month. In February there's heaps of things you could be planting. Succulents are all the rage at the moment, but what is it about these hardy little beauties that's so special? Well, for a start, there's a huge range and they can grow almost anywhere, which is great. The other thing is that they're very low maintenance, so even if you're a new gardener or perhaps you're a bit of a time-poor gardener, you could be using them, and the kids love them as well. You don't even need to have a garden because they'll grow really well inside. They're a great present too. And among the varieties are things like your sedums, aloes, Hiawatha, and my personal favourite, the Mesoprananthium, otherwise known as pigface. In February, there are lots of veggies to be planting too. We can be doing things like lettuce, chard, eggplant and cucumber. And don't forget our perfect plant promise. All of our plants, except for seedlings, are guaranteed for 12 months. If you're not entirely happy, you just bring them back with your receipt and you get your money back. In February in Victoria, there's loads to be harvesting. Look at all these herbs. We've got basil, mint, parsley, coriander and thyme. And the veggies are ready as well. We've got tomatoes, capsicum and chillies. And take a look at your stone fruit as well. Things like your apricots, your plums, your nectarines and your luscious peaches. February is a great time to be deadheading spent blooms. This keeps them looking good, but it also stops the plant using its energy creating seeds so it can concentrate on growing a beautiful new flower instead. Feed your plants with a seaweed tonic. It will not only help them grow, but it helps them cope when there's a bit of a dry spell. Liquid fertilisers will help your plants to grow, but use a little bit of caution if you're using a granular product because plants have to be really well watered for these products to work. So when in doubt, read the instructions. It's time to get your hands dirty and clean out those pesky weeds before they set seed. Finally, and most importantly, do remember in this hot weather to give your garden a regular water. Ideally do it first thing in the morning so that your plants can access the moisture during the heat of the day when they need it the most. Summer's nearly over, but don't let that stop you from getting out into the garden. There's heaps to do. So do come in and talk to the experts at your local Bunnings and you can see all the beautiful plants that you could put in at your place. Click here for more gardening advice or click here to go back to the website.